Are you trying to choose between Python and JavaScript in 2025? Both are giants in the programming world, but which one is right for you? In the next few minutes, we'll break down everything: job opportunities, ease of learning, real-world use cases, and future trends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start. Let's dive in. First, let's set the stage. JavaScript remains the king of the web. Over 98% of websites use it, and with frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular, JavaScript dominates front-end development. Thanks to Node.js, it has even taken over the back-end. Python, on the other hand, has exploded in popularity thanks to data science, AI, machine learning, and automation. It's the go-to choice for anyone working with AI models, data analytics, or scientific computing. According to recent surveys, both languages consistently rank in the top 3 most popular programming languages. Demand for both remains very strong in 2025. So which one is easier to learn? Python has a simple, beginner-friendly syntax that reads almost like English. That's why it's often recommended as a first language, especially if you're completely new to programming. JavaScript is also beginner-friendly, but because it runs in the browser, you'll quickly face concepts like the DOM, asynchronous code, and different frameworks. It's not harder, but it is less straightforward than Python. If your goal is the quickest path to writing your first program, Python gets the edge. But if you're looking to build interactive web apps right away, JavaScript may be the better pick. Let's talk about career opportunities. JavaScript developers are always in demand. Every business needs a website or a web application. Roles like front-end developer, full-stack developer, and mobile app developer are everywhere. Python developers often land roles in AI, data science, machine learning, cybersecurity, and back-end development. These fields are not only lucrative but also growing rapidly, especially with the AI boom in 2025. Here's the bottom line. JavaScript jobs are abundant and spread across all industries. Python roles may be fewer, but often come with higher salaries and specialization. What about real-world use cases? What can you actually build with each language? With JavaScript, you can create dynamic websites, progressive web apps, real-time chat applications, mobile apps using React Native, and even back-end APIs. With Python, think AI chatbots, data analysis dashboards, automation scripts, fintech tools, and even game development with libraries like Pygame. If your goal is to build a SaaS product or a startup, many founders start with Python for the backend and JavaScript for the front end. Learning both over time could be the ultimate combination. Now let's look at the future. Which language is more future-proof? AI and automation are dominating the tech space, and Python remains the leading language for machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Pandas keep it ahead in AI innovation. But JavaScript isn't going anywhere. The web is still the backbone of our digital lives, and as long as we use browsers, JavaScript will remain essential. New tools like Next.js, Astro, and Bun are making it faster and more efficient than ever. The demand for both languages will stay strong for at least the next decade. So which one should you learn? It depends on your goals. Choose Python if you're interested in AI, data science, machine learning, automation, or just want to start coding with an easier syntax. Choose JavaScript if you want to build interactive websites, web apps, or go into full-stack development. And remember, most developers eventually learn both. Starting with one doesn't lock you out of the other. Python or JavaScript. Whichever you choose, the most important thing is to start coding and keep building projects. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and let us know in the comments. Which language are you learning in 2025? See you in the next one.